Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are all good. So guys, today I bring for you an amazing and slim design, classy style smartwatch. So you like this device? Today we will unbox this one and check, as they mention here, basic parameters. This device screen is 1.3 inches TFT, it's mean IPS display. This one full round touch screen, and battery capacity they are providing 200 mAh, and this IPS 67 level, it's mean you can use in water as well. So system requirement: iOS device user for 9.0, for Android user 4.4 or above. So there is a door health app for connectivity of this device. So let's open this one and check what is inside. So I like this watch very much. Before I also use this one, that's why I again order only for review video. So what is inside box? Inside box we found one manual which is in English and Chinese, and yeah, you can see here mention Adore Health instruction manual for this one in English and Chinese, 2 language available. Just inside this watch available multi languages, so don't worry about language. So they are also giving 1 meter charging cable, its length almost 1 meter, magnetic charging cable for this device. So beautiful, you can see this device. This is silicone straps. This is a sensor area which is using for blood pressure and ECG and O2 etc. And this is charging interface. You can see this magnetic charger, only one direction you can put on this device. If you bring in other direction, this is different pole, it will repel each other, and if you bring correct direction, it will attract. So you can see it will attract with device, you no need to put any power. So this is the watch I wear in my hand and show you how it's look like. This is charging cable, one manual and one watch. So I wear this device in my hand after I show you how it's look like. So as you see, I wear this device in my hand, and how is look like? Very pretty, because very slim and classic designing of this watch. That's why I like this one. Let's power on the device and check what the function available inside and specification of this device. This watch power on. So first I remove from my hand, then I will tell you the specification, and then we will move forward to explore this watch. So let's talk about its price, guys. This is not too much expensive. It's very affordable price, in between 20 to 25 US dollar. So I think this is affordable price for everyone can buy in between 20 to 25 dollar. I will give you this watch link in my video description, so you will check out. You can buy this watch in Aliexpress and Amazon as well. I will give you all links in my detail checkout description. So let's talk about this watch specification. So as they mentioning, you can customize 5 wallpaper for this main display. So it's mean you can put your picture, whatever you like, you can customize this 5 display and keep inside watch. So if you like your picture in your main screen, you can customize that one in your main screen. Also this watch have cycle reminder, heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, blood oxygen monitor, sleeping monitor, multi sports mode, pedometer, call message reminder, call ID display, information push reminder, SMS, Facebook, WhatsApp, Skype, Twitter, Line, WhatsApp, everything, everyone which notification you want to on this your watch, you can customize that one. Weather push, it will also show you weather push, music control also with this device, light up screen, vibration, stopwatch, alarm clock, and camera, remote control, anti-loss, too many functions available on this device. So let's talk about this specification of this device. They are using 5762 CPU, which is quite better than other watches. Very familiar CPU for smartwatch, this one. And they are also using Bluetooth version 4.0. I think this one need to improve because now latest version 5.0 everywhere, so this one need to improve from 4.0 to 5.0. And this device compatible for iOS as well and Android system as well. For iOS you need 8.0 or above, for Android you need 5.0 or above. This is full touch round display, which resolution is 240 by 240 pixels, and they are using 200 mAh battery capacity, enough for 20 days. They are promising 15 days continue without charge. You can use this watch 15 days continue. I have experience, I use this watch continuous, don't on too much notification on this watch, and I use this watch continuous 25 days. So its battery backup very good, very enough battery they are providing, and battery backup for 1 month. If you not use too much this device, you can use until 1 month this device, no need to charge. So this charging time only 2.5 hours from 0 to full charge, it will getting half hour. And they are giving multi languages for this device. I think more than 10 languages available. So it's available in English, Spanish, Russian, Korean, Chinese, and too many languages available. You can check in manual as well. So as I told you, they are using Adore Health app. That app also is quite familiar and very good app for using. See how many wallpaper they are available in this watch. You can customize this wallpaper as well. And in Adore Health there is more than 100 main screen. You can use any design, any color, which one you like. So I like this one also. This one looking very good. This one also good. You can also add your picture here, any function. So let's go to menu. So you can see there is too many function available. First we explore more what is there. You can adjust brightness, control music, battery. Now it's showing there is no battery because this is new device, need to charge this one. You can put on vibrate, or you can control brightness, increase or decrease brightness, how much you need. You can adjust your brightness from there. So I already told you about how many function on this device. So for info, firmware version you can see 5.15, MAC address, Bluetooth name, quite enough. I think very good, and in between $20 to $25. This one not a bad price, very good price for this device. And you can see I on this one, this working sensor, back sensor is working for now monitoring a heart rate. Like this have also blood pressure function as well, O2 blood oxygen level, and this is blood pressure. You can see the sensor working when you, and it is start counting. So there is multi-function available on this device with multi languages, and very beautiful and classy interface of this device. Also slim, not too much thickness of this device, and looking pretty good. In this price range I will highly recommend this device. So for more info, kindly check link in description, and you can read the detailed description from there. If you like video guys, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends, and keep supporting. Thank you very much guys. You cannot go without subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, Thanks for watching. Keep supporting, guys.